Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Matt with Garden Distractions. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to be going over the LED light that I got from the dollar store. It's a Globe LED grow light, this guy here. It has a blue and red spectrum color light, and that is what you want for growing your plants. Now, I'm going with the LED option because it's more environmentally friendly and it takes a lot less power to run and produce the light that I need. I'm going to put these on top of my seeds that I had started, so my little seedlings for my tomatoes and my peppers. Here are my peppers and my tomatoes now. They're pretty spindly because they're trying to bring the leaves to the light. Now, they are in the dining room on the southwest facing corner. They get both south and west light, which I thought was going to be enough, but it apparently isn't. So we're going to bring the light fixture on top of it, and that will help. I also have been running my fan simultaneously throughout the day to also help stimulate the wind that you'd be getting from outside. So that's also helping them develop their stronger trunk. Here they are. So like I said, the window behind me here is the west facing window, and here's the balcony window. This is facing south. Now they're getting most of the sun from the south here, and you can see that they are reaching towards the south, trying to get the natural light. These are the peppers here, and then these are the basil that I took from my Click and Grow. They're also starting to lean towards the light a little bit more. So what I want to do is take my light fixture, put it up here, and you want to have a minimum of at least 4 inches between the light and the plants. Now, because this is only temporary, I'm only taking bungee cords and installing it because it's not going to be a permanent fixture. I'm going to try that this year, and then we'll see how I like it. I might end up investing in like an actual clamp light and then have that go underneath, or maybe even like an LED rope light or whatnot. So we'll see how this goes, and we'll evaluate it at the end of the seed starting season. Now I have with me my just regular cord set, got it from IKEA, has an on-off switch, but I'm not going to use the on-off switch. I also have the Trode-free smart switch that I got from IKEA that connects to Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri, and I can just say, hey Google, turn on the plant light. I also have it set up for everything else in my house, so it works pretty seamlessly. I really do enjoy it. My partner even likes it because it's a lot easier for us to use. I can also put them on a timer so that I don't even have to like say anything. If it's late at night and I need lights to turn off, I can set them on a timer. So these plants will want at least 12 to 16 hours of sunlight. I'm going to start with 12 hours, and they're going to turn on probably around 8 o'clock in the morning as the sun's getting up here. there we go. So it's all installed, and I think what I'm going to do, I'll keep an eye on it. The plants at the top shelf here, they might end up growing their leaves and their stems down towards the light, because that's where they're going to be getting the light. If that happens, or if you see that start to happen, I think I'm going to put like a little piece of cardboard, or maybe not cardboard because then it might start on fire depending on how hot this can get. Right now it's cold to the touch, so it should be okay. But I think what I'll do is I'll take like a placemat and put it underneath these guys, or even like a black tray to stop them from getting that light from underneath, because the goal is for these guys to all grow up towards the light. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. It means a lot to me. Thanks, guys. Bye.